Okay, so the simple answer to this is yes, but you want to break it down in a couple of different categories. So number one, people that don't follow you, and then people that follow you. So let's talk about the people that don't follow you. So ideally, you want to be sending no more than 10 messages a day. I've seen it in the past where people have sent 15, 20, 25 messages, and there is a chance, highly likely chance, that you're probably going to get blocked or something going to happen with Instagram, especially with people what they've been talking about recently, where it's just you're just putting yourself in a red zone, and you'd rather not do that. But it's key to understand that if you're going to be sending 10 messages a day, don't just send them to anyone. Just have a little, like, spend 30 seconds, 60 seconds looking at the profile that you're about to send a message to, and just like in your head you will know if they are the type of person that you can help. So are they your ideal, like, perfect customer avatar? And if they are, then send them a message, because if you're going to send 10, I'd rather you send it to the 10 most qualified people that you think they are. Number two, this is why you want to set systems up where people are following you. And ideally, how are you going to get followers? Well, it's only two ways you're going to get followers. Number one is you're going to post content, and people are going to like your content and think, okay, I like this creator, I like this fitness coach, I'm going to follow this person. Well, the second way someone is going to follow you is through ads. And if you can do both, that's when you're winning. And when somebody follows you, ideally, this is why you want to set automations up, whether it's through ManyChat or is through another software, where as soon as someone follows you, they get an immediate message straight away, because you don't want to lose that lead, because you've paid for it. Either you've paid for it through ads, or you've paid for it in time by sitting there, spending time doing the content, editing it, and then posting it. It's also cost you money. It's just they're just different, different types of ways you've gone about it. So ideally, you want to set systems up where you're getting between 50 and 100 followers a day. So then the next question becomes, like, once you send them a message, is your first message needs to be really to the point. I've seen a lot of times where fitness coaches, what they will do is they will send a message and they'll go around in circles and circles, and go, like, before you know, it's been 2 hours of conversation and you've really not been able to land the plane. So from the start, you need to, like, take charge and, like, set the right message and set the tone properly from the start. And that's a skill on its own. And so all this is not going to work if you don't have the skill to qualify people in DMs. So that's something you have to learn as a fitness coach. So I'm saying all this to say, if you've got all them skills, you want to set systems up where people are following you and then they get immediate message. And how you want to look at this is, if 100 people follow you and you send them all messages, ideally from that you're going to get one sale. That's how I want you to just look at it. So this is why, like, it becomes even more important to have, like, a high ticket sale, because really, if you've got, like, a 12-month program, or even a 6-month program at £2,000, what I was talking about the other day, and you sell one a day, well, even if you take the weekends off, you've sold 20 or 22 in a month. Well, that's £22,000, right? But you can see how the maths add up, because if you was to start today, yeah, your first month is going to look pretty dry, but then after that, even there's going to be more people in your pipeline. So on some days you might make 4 sales or 5 sales, and then some days you might make 3, but on the minimum you're going to make at least 1. So you can see, like, depending on your offer, you can make a lot of money. And this is why when some people have, like, a £200 offer or £300 offer, they just can make less money. So the original question was, shall I DM to get clients? The answer is yes. Depends how they come in. Ideally, you want to set systems up where people are following you so you can message them, but then you have to learn the skills to message them the first message, second, third, so you can pretty much qualify them. And this is, like, these messages are really tailored to you as a creator, you as a coach. So look, if this is something you need help with, you're more than welcome to apply to come and see me here in Manchester. I'll be more than happy to help you.